it has saved me hundreds and hundreds of pounds in airport taxi bills. I have been traveling the world for 8 years, and in that time I have definitely had a few problems. But the biggest problem I always had was, once you land in a new country, you don't have internet. But there is a solution. Let's get into it. If you've watched my channel for a while, you'll know I have been all over the place. Egypt, Turkey, Morocco, Thailand, Vietnam, and quite a few others. But it doesn't matter where you are in the world, there is always one issue I always used to run into, and that is not having mobile data on my phone. There's a few things you can do. You can either buy a SIM card from the airport. The problem with that is, number one, it's usually way overpriced for what you get. And number two, I have had it a few times where the SIM card doesn't even work. And then you get to your hotel and it's just useless. Option number two, if you have a UK SIM card, you can do mobile data in different countries, but listen, they will overcharge the hell out of you. When my friend came to Egypt, he used his mobile data for maybe 3 minutes. I think it was to book an Uber or something, and it cost him £55. That is just stupid. They literally just rinse you. But there is a solution to all of this, and this genuinely did change my life. Before we even start, I want to say I am not sponsored in any way. I do have an affiliate link. So if you use my link, I get a percentage of whatever you spend. But I want to say I am not sponsored by this company. They are not paying me to make this video at all. This is genuinely the company I use. Right, let's get into it. The best eSIM company I have found is called Mobimatter. I've used a couple of different companies over the time. I first learned about eSIMs when I was traveling in Thailand with Charlie. And he had one, and I was just blown away with, one, how easy it is, and two, the deals you can get. You can get some really cheap prices. I just want to explain to you how this can save you so much money before you even get to your hotel. Right, you've just landed in Hurghada Airport, and you need to get to your hotel. If you don't have an eSIM, then you come out the airport, you talk to one of the taxi guys, you get one of the taxi guys to take you to your hotel. I can guarantee you will not get a price under 1,000 Egyptian. And 1,000 Egyptian is £14.38. And for taxis in Egypt, that is just insanely priced. This is probably a half an hour drive. And then you get to your hotel, you've paid 15 quid, whatever, cool, you're at your hotel. Right, if you would have bought an eSIM, then when you're at the airport, you can order an Uber or InDrive. Let's just check how much Uber would charge from Hurghada Airport to City Market. That is around a 35 minute drive, something like that, depending on how fast they go. That's 219 Egyptian. That's £3.15. Don't get me wrong, Uber is usually very underpriced. I do usually give them a little tip on top of that. But even if you pay, I don't know, 350, that's literally £5. You have saved £10 before you even get to your hotel. For an eSIM, you can usually spend from about £10 to £20. So you have basically already paid for your eSIM before you even start. And just to prove that I'm not just doing this to like get affiliate links and stuff, if you go into my eSIMs, I have literally got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I've bought 11 eSIMs from that. I usually stay somewhere for about 1 month. So that is almost 1 full year worth of eSIMs. So I can honestly say with my heart that I use this company more than anyone else. The reason is they are the cheapest and they work. Simple as that. But I just want to prove how good eSIMs can really be. Let's say I want to go to Thailand. There you go. Select Thailand. You can see there's 59 packages, 10 days, 50 gigabytes for £8. 30 gigabytes, 30 days, £12. 30 days, 15 gigabytes, £8, super affordable. You will struggle to find a company that will do them cheaper than that. Let's choose another place. Egypt. There you go, 40 packages, 30 days, 25 gigabytes, £17. I mean, that's more than you need. Because a lot of the places do have Wi-Fi. It's literally just for getting taxis and finding your hotel and finding the locations of places you want to go. And what I found is the more people that visit that country and use eSIMs, the cheaper it is. So places like Vietnam, Thailand, stuff like that, it's going to be cheaper compared to places like Tanzania, Kenya. But with these eSIMs, one other perk is you can buy one eSIM that works in multiple different countries. So let's say you are going to Tanzania. You type it in, click on it, select it. There's 27 packages, and you can see the first few only work in Tanzania. And you can see it's a little bit more expensive than Thailand and Vietnam. But if you go down a little bit, you can see this one. It is expensive for what it is. It's 60 days, so it's 2 months it works for. It's 5 gigabytes and it's £18.50. But that works in 124 different countries. And if you are only using your data for booking taxis or finding locations to restaurants or hotels or whatever, 5 gig will last you a while. Only if you're watching videos and stuff, then it's going to drain it fast. It's just crazy that you can buy one and it works in so many different countries. And I even have an eSIM still going from Turkey. 1 year it works for. 13 gigabytes. I paid £32. So I did pay a lot, but it does work for the full year. So anytime within 365 days I go back to Turkey, then I already have internet. But genuinely, I cannot recommend using an eSIM enough, especially this company, because like I say, I've bought 11 eSIMs from them and I have never had any problems at all. And this is one of the companies that I genuinely do use. The reason I am making this video, or one of the reasons I'm making this video, is I was actually buying an eSIM the other day and I was like, oh, they have an affiliate program. So if I promote it to my audience, what I genuinely use, then I get a percentage of whatever they spend. Sounds like a plan. That'll pay for my eSIMs in the future. So if you like the channel and you do enjoy my videos and you find anything useful, I would really appreciate if you are buying an eSIM, just use my link. It's not hard and doesn't cost you anything, and it just gives me a little kickback. I don't think it's much. It might be like 5 or 10% I get, but it's better than nothing, and that will pay for my eSIMs in the future. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I want to be fully honest, this genuinely did change my life once I learned about this. It has saved me hundreds and hundreds of pounds in airport taxi bills. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, comment, subscribe, and join me in the next one.